get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to recreate some of these self-portraits from Pinterest. So let's get started. For the first picture, I'm going to recreate this particular picture, and for this I need a newspaper and some water, plain water, and a brush to apply the water on my face. For this, I'm going to need small pieces of newspapers, so that's what I'm going to do right now. Here I have applied makeup on one side of my face, not on the other side where I'm going to apply the water and the newspaper. So yeah, keep in mind that you don't apply any makeup on the other side, otherwise it becomes oily and it won't stick properly. So that's what I did. Using the brush, I'm gonna apply water on half of my face and then I'll just stick the pieces of newspaper. So surprisingly it works, it actually works and it actually sticks onto your face, and after that if you apply some more water on top of the newspaper, it will stick properly.
Thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to
And yeah, that's it for this picture, and you have to let it dry for some times and then click some pictures. And I'm using this Bluetooth remote. I have that Bluetooth remote on my other hand. A lot of you guys ask me how I click pictures. This remote is my savior. As you can see, I am taking pictures on portrait mode, and when I click the Bluetooth remote, it automatically gets captured. So here are the two pictures that I took, and it is completely raw and natural pictures, unedited pictures. And this is the edited and final picture, and you can see the comparison, the recreation, it looks quite good. And this is the behind the scenes, it gets quite messy. This is the second picture that I'm going to recreate. For this I need a band-aid, and then I need some flowers or some dry flowers cut into small pieces, and then I'm going to need a permanent marker or a sketch pen to write hope. That is what's written in the picture. So I'm gonna write hope. After that, I'm going to place the flowers or the dry flowers right below my eyes as it was in the picture. I'm just looking at the mirror and trying and figuring out different angles and alignment, and it was quite difficult to do it alone. But if you first apply the flowers on the band-aid and then apply on the face, it is quite easy, and I realized that after doing it. And yeah, with the help of the Bluetooth remote, again I took these two pictures, and it is raw, unedited pictures, and this is the comparison, this is the edited one. I'm quite happy how it has turned out. This is the next self-portrait that I'm going to recreate. It is quite easy and simple. The pose is quite simple. It was quite easy to recreate this particular picture. All you need is to focus your eyes onto the camera and just do this pose like it was in the picture. For taking this picture, I didn't use a Bluetooth remote because my both the hands are busy, and I took it using self timer of my phone. These are the two raw and unedited pictures that I took, and this is the comparison. You can clearly see it is quite achievable and it is quite simple. This is the fourth picture that I'm gonna recreate. So here is my tripod. I have kept it here. According to the picture, I need a mirror which I can place in front of the camera, and I have to pose accordingly. But I don't have a mirror which can be movable. Like I have those small ones. I think it is not achievable. So this is the mirror that I have, which is already attached to my cupboard.
You out of my mind.
And the final pictures are not that great. I mean, I like this picture individually, but when you compare it, it is not comparable. I mean, I miserably failed.
Looking for a boy who can treat me right.
This is the last picture that I want to recreate. For this, I have these fern ka leaf. In that picture, the leaf is quite big and I don't have something like that in my house. So I used this leaf to pose. I'm gonna click different pictures in different pose, and the facial expression is quite blank in her face, so that's what I'm going to do. Again, I used my Bluetooth remote to click the pictures, and here is how the pictures have turned out. These are some raw and unedited pictures that I took, and this is the comparison, and I think it is quite good and I love it. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I really hope you like it. If you like, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss a video, and also comment down below which was your favorite recreation. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.
Always falling for the wrong guys. They keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life.